Hey guys, welcome to another video. I know I've been making videos like crazy because like I said, I want to upload at least once a week. Today's video is a Valentine's Day makeup. This is what I came up with. It's a cut crease with glitter outlining the cut crease, pink eyeshadow, and mauve lips. If you guys want to see how I achieved this look, then keep on watching. I'm gonna start off by using my Alondra Desi by Glamlight palette, and there's a shade on here. It's dirty, but there's a shade on here called Cotton Candy, and it's like a hot pink. It's very pigmented, and I'm gonna get some of that on my fluffy brush, and I'm gonna put that right onto my crease, starting from the outer corner into the inner corner. But you just keep building up the color. Just keep packing that color onto the crease, because this is a cut crease look, so you really need to make sure that your crease has the most pigment so that when you cut it with the concealer, it will still show. I'm grabbing more and just packing it onto the crease, just tapping it in there slowly, little by little, until I get the color pigment that I want. And I know on camera it seems very, very light, but in real life it's very pigmented already. And I'm just gonna bring it down here and blend the top part. Next, I'm going to take a thicker brush and use the shade Selena, which is like a warm red, and just put it on the tip of the brush. And you're gonna start tracing your crease, kind of. You're gonna put this right in your crease, like that. Start blending it. Just blend it in your crease, don't really spread it that much. And this look, eyeshadow look, is very, very simple, and it does take time if you don't know how to cut crease and stuff like that, but you don't have to cut your crease with concealer. You can really just cut it with any shimmer or glitter that you have. That's pretty much what I do on the daily basis, because cutting it with concealer does take time and practice, and you can very easily mess up. And you guys can see that that color is starting to blend with the hot pink. Now I'm gonna go back into the shade Cotton Candy, and I'm mixing it with the shade Horchata, which is just this pinkish nude, and I'm going on top of Cotton Candy the first time that we used it, and I'm going to blend out the top. And this will also give off more pigment. And I'm sorry for the lighting, I know it sucks, but I don't know what happened to my ring light. It doesn't really want to work. I don't know. I have to sit down and like really see why it doesn't work. And I'm pretty happy with how that looks so far. So now I'm going to cut my crease. For this next part, I'm gonna go off camera and cut my crease, because it does take me a good like 10-15 minutes to perfect it, and then I'll be back and I will show you guys what to do next. Okay, so I just cut my crease. It came out all right, I guess. And now I'm going to outline it with this glitter eyeliner, and this is by NYX, and it is Diamond Dust. Sorry if the angle keeps changing and moving. I'm trying to find the best lighting, but it's cloudy outside. So I outlined my cut crease with the glitter liner, and now we're going to blend that inner corner. Take a fluffy brush and pick up the shade Cotton Candy from the Alondra palette. So I'm gonna get Cotton Candy, and I'm gonna get a little bit of shade also, which is a purpley pinkish color, and I'm going to put it on there at an angle like that, and where the concealer meets the eyeshadow, that line, I'm gonna blend the eyeshadow into that line. Very, very, very carefully, because you can also mess up really, really fast like that. And I'm picking up more of those two shades and just putting it right in my inner corner, my outer corner. This lighting is horrendous. Now I'm going to add the shimmer, and I'm going to take the Araceli Jalisco Eyes palette, and there's a really pretty rosy shade in here called Tequila, and it's this pink champagne color. I'm going to take that on a thick flat brush. I'm going to apply it right where the concealer is, where we cut our crease. I'm gonna put it right on top. And this will also help blend that harsh line. So I'm going to finish the rest of my makeup, and I will see you guys in a little bit to show you the results and how everything looks with all my makeup and stuff. Hopefully this is better lighting, but hopefully you guys are able to see my makeup better. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time, and happy Valentine's Day. Okay, bye.